सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 12.2 problem number 2. Let us see the question. This is the given question. A 1.5 meters tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meter height from a point at certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. So we have to find this, the distance he walked towards the temple we have to find here. So let's see what is given here. The boy height is 1.5 meters given and the angle of elevation increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees while he is coming towards the temple. Okay, let us imagine the diagram first here, right? So okay, so suppose consider this is a temple of 30 meters height. Okay, this is a temple of 30 meters height and so this is the ground. Okay, so here one man is standing, it means the boy is standing here. Consider, so from his eye it makes an angle of 30 degrees. Okay, he is watching the top of the temple. So draw a line from here. It is, yeah, this is nothing but here it is 1.5 meters height of the boy here. Okay, so what is the height of this? This is also 1.5 meters. So we have from here to here it is 30 meters. Okay, so what is the height of this thing up to here? Yeah, we can subtract here. 30 minus 1.5, that is nothing but 28.5. Now what is the height of this thing here up to here? It is 28.5. Okay, right, 28.5 meters. Right, this boy is moving towards to temple. Okay, so actually the boy is here at initially. So from here to here distance is D. Okay, so he is moving forward. So suppose he came here, again he is watching the temple, top of the temple. Now the eye makes an angle of 60 degrees. At the initial stage it is 30 degrees, now it increased to 60 degrees. Okay, so we have to find this distance. Okay, how much distance he walked towards the temple. This is considered X. We have to find this distance here. Okay, right. So we know that the objects and things we are calculating the problem, we imagine like a linear, it's like a straight line. Okay, that is why I am taking the diagram again here. So I am taking the boy as a straight line. Okay, is it clear? Did you get this point? Right, so I am taking the diagram again here. Okay, right. Yeah, the boy is here. Yeah, here it is 60 degrees and here it is 30 degrees. Yeah, 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So this is the man's height, boy's height, that is 1.5 meters, and here it is also 1.5 meters, and this is also 1.5 meters. So here to here it is X. Okay, from here to here it is D, consider, and the total height is 30 meters. Okay, so we need this is 28.5 meters. Are you clear with this? This is the diagram for this problem. Let's write what is given. So given height of the temple, how much? 30 meters. Okay, and next height of the boy, is equals to 1.5 meters. Okay, right. So let us take here A, B, C, and here it is D, E, F, G. It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, right. So what is the height of the temple? That is AD. Okay, and the height of the boy, that is BC. So BC is equals to FG is equals to and ED, all are 1.5 meters only. Okay, and given angle of elevations, given 30 degrees comma 60 degrees. Okay, let the distance between the boy and foot of the temple is equals to D. Okay, and the distance boy walked B, X. So we have to find X value finally. Okay, this is the given information, right? So here I am going to use tan ratio to find the distance between the boy and temple as well as how much he walked. Okay, so I am going to use tan ratio. So we can use the chord ratio also, but I am taking tan here because we need to find the base, nothing but distance. Okay, so here opposite and adjacent sides are involved. So the opposite side and adjacent side involved ratios are in tan theta. Okay, right. So let's go into tan theta. Right. Right. So in triangle ABE, tan 30 degrees is equals to length of opposite side to 30 degrees by length of adjacent side to 30 degrees. So tan 30 value we have already. So tan 30 equals to length of opposite side, that is nothing but this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. Okay, so what is that? Opposite side is nothing but AE by adjacent side nothing but BE, isn't it? Is it clear? Next, so tan 30 value 1 by root 3 is equals to AE value, that is AE. Yeah, so AE is equals to, we have CD, isn't it? These two are equal here because it forms a rectangle. In this rectangle opposite sides are equal. So AE is equals to CD. CD value we have D. Okay, now we can write in place of AE D. and sorry, very sorry. Yeah, AE by length of opposite side of BE. So BE is equals to CD here. Okay, BE is equals to CD, CD equals to D. That is why AE value we have 28.5 by CD value we have D. Take the cross multiplication. What it becomes? So D is equals to 28.5 into root 3 meters. Okay, consider it is equation 1. Is it clear? Right. Right, next. In triangle AFE, in triangle AFE, so tan 60 degrees is equals to same length of opposite side to angle 60 by length of adjacent side to angle 60. Write down here, length of opposite side to 60 degrees by length of adjacent side to 60 degrees. So tan 60 value we have root 3 is equals to opposite side. Angle is here, A is the opposite side and FE is the adjacent side. Okay, so AE by FE. This is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side to angle 60. So if you observe closely, so what is the distance of this? It is nothing but, so FE is equals to CD minus CG, or else we can write FE. Already we have BE value, that is D we have. So FE is equals to BE minus BF, isn't it? FE is equals to BE minus BF we can write. So BE value D and BF value we have X here, isn't it? These two are having same length. BF is equals to CG, isn't it? This BF is equals to CG. So that is nothing but FE value D minus X from the figure. Is it clear? You are here. This is a rectangle. In this rectangle, these two are opposite side. This is X and this is also X. Okay. If this is a rectangle, here BE and is equals to CD, isn't it? Because opposite sides are equal. From that concept here, FE is equals to D minus X we got. So replace the value here. So root 3 is equals to AE, that is 28.5 by FE value D minus X. Okay, so remember this value here. What is that? D is equals to 28.5 into root 3. It is a equation 1. Right, I'm erasing this. Right, let's see. Take the cross multiplication. Root 3 into D minus X is equals to 28.5. Okay, so root 3 into D value we have there 28.5 from equation 1. D value 28.5 into root 3 minus X is equals to 28.5. Is it okay? Right. So this becomes, multiply with this. So what it becomes? So 28.5 into root 3 into root 3 minus root 3 into X. Root 3x is equals to 28.5. Is it clear? Right. So 28.5 into this becomes root 3 whole square minus root 3x as it is 28.5. So square root gets cancelled. 3 minus root 3 into x 28.5. So transpose this down to RHS side. This becomes root 3x as it is 28.5 minus 28.5 into root 3. So bring this minus also here. It becomes root 3x and this becomes reverse. What becomes? 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5, or else multiply with minus both sides, we get this. Okay, right. So root 3x is equals to 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5. 28.5 take outside. I am taking common here. So it becomes 3 minus 1. So root 3x is equals to, this root is not for x, only for 3. Okay. So 28.5 into, it becomes 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. So 28.5 into 2, that becomes 28.5, 28.5, 5, 5, 10, 1 here, 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 1 here, 57.0. So that is root 3x is equals to 57. Okay, let's see here. So x is equals to 57 by root 3. Is it clear? So this 57 we can write 19 into 3. We can factorize that 57 as a 19 into 3 and root 3 as it is. What becomes? X is equals to 19 into 3, we can write root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled. X is equals to 19 root 3 meters. This is the answer. Okay, what is that? The man walked towards temple is equals to 19 root 3 meters. If you want to stop here, we can stop here, or else we can multiply with root 3. What is the root 3 value? Root 3 value 1.732. So we can take the multiplication here. So 1.732 into 19. So 9 2s are 18, 8 here, 1 here, 9 3s are 27, 28, 8 here, 2 carry, 9 7 63, 65, 5 here, 6 carry, 9 1s are 9, 6, 15, so 1 7 3 2. So 8, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 5 12, 2 here, 1 here, 32908. So 1 2 3, after 3 places decimal point, 1 2 3 here. So what is that? 32 point. X is equals to so we got x is equals to 32.908 meters. Okay, this is the distance walked by the man or boy here. Given boy walked towards temple is 19 root 3, or what is that? 32.908 meters is the answer. Is it clear? I hope you understand the problem. Take the problem.